Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you at in the world today. We got another video. This video today we're gonna show you how to do. We're gonna show you how to set up your bracket orders, which is your stop loss and take profit. So let's get into it. When you pull up your charts, you'll see this right here, ATM. Most likely it'll be off. You see the little gear drive beside it right here? You're gonna click on that. You're gonna pull up the settings. You're gonna turn that on. You pick a name you want. You go to the plus sign here. Let's say we're gonna do 1-to-1. Stop loss slash take profit. Oh, my bad. Slash take profit. All right, you click OK. If you want it to show in ticks, delta price, or just dollar value, you choose which one. We're gonna do dollar value. So when you come down here, your order type, you just wanna select take profit, stop loss. Unless you just want a stop loss and not a take profit, or a take profit and not a stop loss, you will select one of these. But other than that, just select take profit, stop loss. Come down here, you choose the amount you want to take profit in. Let's just say we're gonna say 500 for the take profit. Come down here, stop loss, and this how this my setup. We're gonna say 200 stop loss, and for stop loss type, it's just gonna be completely stop. You could choose stop limit, trail stop, trail stop limit, auto break even, auto trail, or auto break even, auto trail. I just choose stop. You click save. Okay, once you get ready to take a trade, we'll go to the 5-minute chart so you can see it better. Once you get ready to take a trade, what you would do is you just make a left click on the chart anywhere you want to take the trade at. Let's just say we get right here and we break out. You're gonna click there. When you hover over the buy, you'll see your stop loss and take profit pop up there. You'll see your entry level, which is the green where it says new. Your stop loss will be below that, and your take profit up above. And it's the same way when you hover over sell limit. If you want to sell the market, you see new, that's where your entry position will be at. Your stop loss will be right above it, and your take profit below it. That's pretty much it. The weekend, so I can't demonstrate how the orders are hit when they go through or anything. But even if you just buy the market or sell the market here, you know, just a market order, same thing will happen. Your stop loss and take profit will automatically be placed on the chart. Once it's placed on the chart, if you want to move the stop loss, if you want to move the take profit, you can click and hold and drag it to where you want. That's pretty much it. Happy trading. Have a great rest of your day. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.